Ayan, so guys, yung isi-share ko na website sa inyo today is really good for fast and accurate typists. So, walang experience and certification na required dito sa website na to, pero you should be prepared to be tested on your capabilities and skills. Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome sa ating home-based story. So for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo tong website na si QuickTate where you can earn around $425 per month as a typist. So tara, check na natin yung kanilang website. So, the website is quicktate.com and kapag pinuntahan nyo siya, makikita nyo tong website na to. Ito yung mga services na ina-offer nila, call transcription, call auditing, and developer programming. So, they've been around since 2008 and malaki na rin yung kanilang customer list like CNN, Ford, Coca-Cola, ayan, Wells Fargo. Those are just some of the big clients that you will be working with. So, ano ba yung mga sample ng files na gagawin dito kay QuickTate? We have to-do list, legal notes, field notes, general reports, medical reports, veterinary reports, letters and memos, insurance matters, voicemail messages, filling out forms, and author, writer, novelist. So, meron siyang sister company which is iDictate. So, si QuickTate is for files shorter than 5 minutes and si iDictate naman is for files 5 minutes or longer. So, they're both under the same company. By the way guys, with QuickTate, you can work as little or as much as you like. So, flexible hours to. You can dictate when you want to work. Pwede nyo tong gawing part-time. Ilalagay ko na rin here at the beginning of our video that if you want to be a typist in QuickTate, they will do a background check on you and they usually require you to pay a small amount which we will discuss later. So, make sure you keep watching so you don't miss out on any important details. Okay, pag-usapan muna natin guys, ano yung mga requirements para makapasok kayo dito kay QuickTate. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. Ang kailangan nyo lang talaga is yung inyong home office setup. So, kailangan nyo ng computer. They're not really specific kung ano yung mga specs ng computer nyo as long as it's fast and working. So, although meron silang app sa Google Play and sa App Store, all the work and the typing will be done on a computer. So, you still really need a laptop or a desktop. Of course, kailangan nyo rin ng speaker or headphones para pakinggan yung mga audio files na inyong itatype. And yung foot pedal naman is just optional to make it faster for you to type. Ayan. Ano naman yung mga skills required nila dito kay QuickTate? They require you to have excellent English skills. So, pag sinabi nating excellent English skills, it's almost native level. Magaling kayo mag-communicate. You know how to use punctuation well, yung grammar, and of course, familiarity with other cultures is also a plus. And then yung typing speed, they require you to have at least 30 words per minute. So kung mas mabilis kang mag-type than 30 words per minute, meron kang ability to earn more here. It's also important for them that you have the ability to listen to the audio files and accurately transcribe what is being spoken. Siyempre, kailangan dito, since malalaki nga yung kanilang client, napaka-importante sa kanila ng confidentiality. Other requirements, you should be of legal age. So, this is only open to 18 years old and above. You need to also have a PayPal email address kasi doon nila ipapadala yung inyong sweldo. And then, part of the background check, you will need to provide 3 references, either via business or personal references. So, mas okay sana kung business references ito. Like, someone who can vouch for your good moral standing and your work ethics. Let's go na dun sa kanilang application process. So, balik tayo doon sa website. Ayan. So, dun sa website, scroll down kayo dun sa guys, sa pinakababa. And then, click nyo yung Become a Transcriber. It will take you to this form kung saan meron kayong login. So, kapag signed up na kayo with QuickTate, you will see this. For first-time users, dito tayo sa Contractor Sign Up where we need to create an account. Ayan. So, click natin yung Create an Account and then, madidirect tayo dito sa page na ito. Ito guys yung kanilang mga requirements and guidelines before you sign up with them. So, makikita nyo when you scroll down at the bottom, meron dyang form for requesting assignments. Ayan. Fill up natin tong kanilang form here at the very bottom. So, gagawa tayo ng ating username and password. And then, fill up nyo lang yung how did you hear about us, your first name, your last name. Yung email, country is Philippines, and then your date of birth. And then, meron dyan mga software or programs na itatanong sila kung meron ka. Okay lang guys na wala kayo, kasi yan naman ay mga free and pwede nyong i-download online. They would require you to enter 3 references. And then, meron siya mga agreements, i-click nyo lang yan. So, yung kanilang handbook, company policies and ethics, and yung kanilang confidentiality agreement. And then, meron din sila yung HIPAA Business Associate Agreement. This is for medical typists. You're not allowed to share patient information. And then, disclosure. And then, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Meron din silang authorization to pay background check. This is $20. So, unless sure na sure kayo that you wanna be part of this company, bago sila mag-background check, kailangan nyo magbayad ng $20 is usually paid by a PayPal or credit card. So, once na na-sign nyo na to lahat and nag-agree kayo, click nyo lang yung I agree. Okay, so once na na-i-pass nyo na to, you will be redirected to a typing test. So, yung typing test nila is a sample call or a conversation that you need to accurately transcribe. Once na pumasa kayo sa kanilang typing test, yung background verification will start. And then, you will get an email whether you are approved or rejected as part of their typist community within 7 business days. Ayan, so that's how their application process work. Walang interview, guys. Ang kaibahan dito sa website nito is meron silang background check. So, halimbawa nakapasa na kayo, paano ba yung work? How do you request for files and paano ka mabayaran? I-share ko sa inyo yung workflow. So, once accepted na kayo, kapag may bagong project or transcription project na available na nag-match sa inyo, sa work time nyo and sa skill set nyo, so makakakuha kayo ng email notification with the project details, yung turnaround time na required, yung format na required din ni customer, and yung audio source. So, kung saan nyo siya pwedeng download din na link. Magla-login lang kayo sa QuickTate portal with your credential, yung ginawa nyo kanina, and then, pwede nyo dong i-accept yung project or i-reject. So, meron different kinds of designations yung files. Usually, it's just regular. So, regular files are around 30 minutes or more. And ang turnaround time niya, guys, usually is just within 24 to 48 hours. So, within the next day, dapat tapos nyo na siya. And then sila mga different kinds of files like rush and super rush. So, yun yung mga mas mabilis yung turnaround time na kailangan within the day, matapos nyo na rin. Ayan, so pag na-accept nyo na, guys, yung file, then, ida-download nyo lang siya sa link and pwede nyo na siyang simulang i-transcribe. And then, most of their typists also use Express Scribe. It's a free software that you can download online. So, once na halimbawa natapos nyo na yung transcription, ready na siya, na-proof nyo na din. Of course, you need to proof if you're a transcriber. Next is, isasubmit nyo na yung transcription ninyo. So, dito siya, guys, same, maglalogin ulit kayo sa QuickTate and then isasubmit nyo siya dito sa link na ito. Diyan nyo siya i-upload. Ayan, so pag nasubmit nyo na siya, guys, one of their moderators will check it and i-rate nila kayo from 1 star to 5 stars. So, yung star rating, guys, is based on your accuracy, yung quality ng inyong ginawang transcription, yung formatting, and the punctuation. The higher the star rating that you have, the better and the more transcription audio files will be assigned to you. So, usually, kapag mga 1 star, they usually don't get anything or any projects assigned to them anymore. Napaka-importante talaga, guys, ng accuracy sa pagtatype. Dito na tayo sa sweldo, guys. Si QuickTate, they pay you per word. Alright? If it's a regular or a general transcription, is $0.0025 per word. So, it's equivalent to around 1 cent for every 4 words. And then, kapag naman na-assign kayo sa mga medical transcription, which is of higher pay, that's $0.0050 per word or 1 cent for every 2 words. Yung rate naman for iDictate transcription, ito yung mas mahahabang files, guys. Same as the medical transcription. Halimbawa, maraming speaker doon sa file. Nag-uusap sila, tapos nagka-crossover. Mas mababayaran ka na mas malaki per word. Same din to sa mga super rush na files. They send their pay weekly every Monday through PayPal. So, importante talaga na may PayPal account na kayo. And kung bago kayo sa kanila, there is a chance na ma-delay yung una nyong sweldo for about 2 to 3 weeks. So, ito guys yung sample rate. For example, may 1-hour file na general transcription na na-assign sa inyo. So, pag 1 hour, usually on average, mga 4 hours mo yan matatapos na i-type. So, pagpalagay na natin that 1 hour of general transcription is around 8,500 words. Times natin yan ng $0.0025. So, for that 1 hour of audio transcription, you can earn $21.25. So, for 4 hours mo siya ginawa. So, halimbawa, sabihin na natin na gusto mo part-time ka lang here. So, kung 5 days a week kang gagawa ng isang 1 hour na audio at gagawin mo siya for 4 hours a day, you can earn around $106.25 in a week. Kung ita-times natin yan ng 4 weeks in a month, so you can earn around $425 per month. Yun guys is just sample computation. So kung mas mabilis kayo mag-type, you can do the 1 hour in faster time, less than 4 hours. Or kung halimbawa naman, you can work on medical transcriptions or super rush files, then you can earn more here with QuickTate. Ayan. So, pag-usapan na natin guys, ano yung mga pros and cons na nakita ko while checking out this website. So, first is flexible time sila. You dictate your own hours if you're looking for part-time, so you can manage it. And syempre, non-voice. Hindi mo kailangan makipag-usap with anyone over the phone. And then, the third one is weekly pay sila. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-intay ng matagal just to get paid for your work. Ano naman yung mga hindi ko masyado nagustuhan with this website? So, pinakauna of course is their background check. I don't see any point kasi magta-transcribe ka lang naman eh. You're not really gonna be representing any of the companies, diba? And then, compared sa other transcribing or typing jobs, medyo mababa yung rate nila eh. Kasi, like here in the Philippines, being a captioner for a YouTuber is already, 20 pesos per minute. It's still gonna pay more than working part-time for QuickTate. Ayun lang naman, so far ha. If you are interested in this field, you have to be prepared na hindi lahat ng audio file is clear. Yan, sometimes nagkasabay-sabay yung nagsasalita, sometimes malabo, sometimes scratchy yung sound. So, that's normal for transcription. So, in conclusion, guys, you can still make a decent amount of money with QuickTate or iDictate. If you are also looking for other websites or portals where you can do transcription jobs or captioner jobs, yung magta-type lang kayo, I created a separate playlist on our channel. Sana ma-check nyo yan. We've come to the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sana nakatulong to doon sa mga naghahanap pa rin ng extra job or part-time. Sana ma-share nyo din ito doon sa mga tao na feel nyo kailangan nila. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again on another work from home or earn from home video next time. Bye!